Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create travel poster design in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a shape around the artboard. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Unlock the background, or press Ctrl+2. These are colors which I will use later on. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a shape. Apply the color to it using the airdropper tool. Go to the direct selection tool, and round its corners. Undo the center align. Go to the Object menu, Path and Offset Path. Follow my offset settings and hit OK. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the File menu, Place, select Cloud Image, and click on Place. Adjust it. Select Blue Shape, go to the Edit menu, copy and then paste in front. Right-click, arrange and then bring it front. Hold Shift key, select both. Go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask and Make, or press Ctrl+7. Place the aeroplane image. Again paste it front. And make clipping mask. Go to the direct selection tool. Select the point and drag to show the front of the aeroplane. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And follow my text settings. Place the cloud PNGs in place like this. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.